Okay, welcome. So today we are going to add thermal paste to this GPU. So first thing you got to do is turn it around and open. There's 4, 5, 6, 7 screws at the back. So for this GPU there's 7 screws, and this is an 8 GB reinforced GPU. So after you do that, just turn it around, and you don't need to really open this, but I'm going to open it. You might have to open it, but there's 2 screws, one here and one here, you can see, and there's 2 screws on this side, one hidden here and one hidden here. GPU, so let's just slide it open. Okay, so after it's slide open, you just have to clean it out. So there's dust has hoovered it, and slowly with a flat, just make sure there's no more screws on your one, but just slowly with a flat screwdriver, slowly, just slightly loosen it up. After that, you can just tilt it open, and as you can see, this is the main area, and this kind of dried up. Just use a tissue or whatever, just use a tissue to just clean it up a bit. Okay, so after you clean it up, just get your thermal paste and just spread it around the main core of the GPU. And you could just put this back on slowly. And then put this back on and just screw it in. Okay, so just put the screws in, and I'm just going to tighten these ones from the back. So that's it really, just make sure you screw the side, and that's how you add thermal paste to GPU. Okay, thanks for watching.